Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbike. It's got a belt for you, Ducati 848 EVO. It's had an absolute small fortune spent on this, so we'll list everything we can possibly think of with you. It is just unbelievable. Tons and tons of carbon to the side panels, exhaust cover, heel plates, front fairing infills, clock surround, tank protector, tank cap. All these inserts on here are all carbon. You can see the Termi end cans on there as well. Just incredible. It's got an Ohlins rear shock that's been fitted, Ohlins steering damper, Ohlins fork top adjusters. Lovely dark screen on there, billet levers. I don't think there's anything you'd want to do to this bike. It's had absolutely everything done to it. Full history. It had the belts done a couple of years ago. They're due now, so we're going to give it a full service with belts as well. So if you're into your Ducatis, you know how critical they are. Just a beautiful, beautiful bike of these. I've owned a normal 848, not an EVO. EVO's got a little bit more power and bigger Brembo monobloc brakes at the front. So this one's got the Ohlins rear shock. It's got the tail tidy as well. Just a stunning, stunning bike is this. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a 2012 on a 12 plate, done 11,303 miles. It's got the gear indicator on there as well. Just no frills, no traction, no nothing, just proper raw little bike, brilliant for the road. The 1098s, 1198s are a little bit of a handful, but these are a lot easier to live with. It's also got the Superbike chip in it as well, so it's been mapped properly to run with the Termi pipes. So it runs absolutely lovely. So you can see the full digital dash there. We'll give it a start for you so you can hear it. Absolutely fabulous noise, and again an amazing bike to ride. I can vouch for these, how brilliant they are. So be quick, this will not last for long. Rare bike is this. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.